What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today's video, I'm going to show you all about JetBox. JetBox, honestly, I used it for pretty much a day or two, and I honestly like the interface on it. Comes pretty smooth interface. It comes with a lot of selection, and it's updated, and it will be updated further down the line. Any links that I have for to get FileLink, which you're gonna have to have. FileLink is the APK store for my channel. That is down below. And among the developer's website, as long as it's with his Facebook page. But anyways, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you how it looks, and it's pretty damn nice. So we're gonna get into it. It runs smooth. It's pretty quick, as you've seen there, and it is firestick friendly. It's basically firestick friendly, Firebox friendly, and Android box, as well as the phone. I believe you can cast from your phone, like mirroring. I believe so. As you see here, we have the movies. What I like about this, that you can go up to here, click that, and then you can see trending, most popular, top rated, action, and then you have your genre. But then let's back out of there. What's the other thing is cool is you can go to your TV shows. See what I mean by it's really smooth and quick too. I like that. All right, let's go into American Horror Story. Give it a second to load up. And it is, like I said, my internet where I'm at right now, it's fair and it's running damn smooth, you know? If you have better service or better internet, it'll run a lot faster for you, definitely. So the way you select an episode, and also too, you see how I click the heart, it saves to my favorites, so I don't have to constantly look for it. But and also too, you could go to something similar as in the American Horror Story. It finds the TV shows, and the same. It goes to the same for the movies as well. But like you'll go into what you'll do then, just to see, you go into episode, you click there. Go to seasons, you go all seasons. Yeah, it shows 10 seasons, but it's only 7. No, it's not actually, it's 8 seasons. Season 7 American Horror Story, by the way, my opinion was the worst. I didn't like it at all. But season 8, Apocalypse, here you go. And it's real easy how they have it for you guys. You select an episode, you will click it, and I'll find the sources for you. Give it a second here. And here's your sources. Now, what's really nice about this setup, how JetBox sets this up, is you can actually see if it's HD, standard definition, and all that, and the size of the file as it's going to stream. I wouldn't download, because it's going to ask you if you want to download. Don't do it. Just stream it, okay? So let's go for the top one here. You're going to select that, okay? And you see how it says play with other player, and download. Like I said, I don't suggest downloading. Just stream it. Now, I use my MX player, so when I hit play with other... Oh, let me pause this real quick. Sorry about that. I have my other player as a default. But anyways, if you set your player, like I have MX Player Pro, if you set your player as a, for the default, it'll automatically start up, okay? Or you can use their player, and it's pretty quick on both ends. If you use your own player and or you use their player, it's pretty quick. All right, that's how that goes. And just to show you how, when I clicked on that heart and I saved it, should go up to here, go to my favorites. See how it says movies? Go to TV shows. Voila. Like I said, try this out. Let me know what you think about it. It's pretty smooth, as in when it plays. I won't play any movie because I don't want to get hit for copyright. But just to show you, it's pretty damn good. Also, too, go into settings. The developer has his contact for Facebook, his website, his Twitter, and his Instagram. If you have any issues or any questions, or even any recommendations that you would like to see on this app. Show you about. Pretty much JetBox. It's real simple, straightforward. And this also, too, is the newest version. So you're pretty good. And also, as you've seen, you could, for the subtitles, you can do as well. We'll go back here. See there? You got your subtitles, and you could pick your provider as well. And if you want like to have the notifications on when a new movie comes out or anything, you'll get it on your Fire Stick, just like the other great app that we lost. So, all right. Now let me show you how you can get this. Let me back out of this real quick. Oh yeah, it is an ad. You are going to get ads. I support the developers, so I don't have an ad-free version. I'm sorry, I apologize, but I'd rather, you know, leave it the way it is so that when the developer pushes out a new update, you'll get it. All right. If you don't have FileLink, like I said earlier in the video, the link is down below. The video link is down below of how to get it and how to use it. Okay. And if you got it already, it's real simple. What we're going to do is when you open up for the first time, you're going to enter this code. This is my channel's APK store. Code is 645-39676. Once you enter that in, you're going to hit continue. And as of right now, I have it on the top, but it's going to, well, it is going to be mainly on the top. I have my APK store all categorized. I have, cancel this out. I have it in the top movies and TV show APKs. Then I have my sports or live sports APK, so forth and so on. It just goes down the list. But what you'll do is, let me go back to the top. You go to JetBox, you'll click that, let it download. Should take about a second or two. There you go. And you've seen how the download changed over to a play button, right? You're going to click that. Then what you're going to do next is hit install. Give it 1 second. And like I said too, it all depends on your internet speed. Some internet speeds are slower than others. And if you have pretty fast internet speed, it'll install super quick. There you go. Now, all you have to do is you open it or hit done and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please leave a comment, hit the like button, share this video, as well as subscribe if you're not. I really would appreciate it. Thank you.